Hello everyone, welcome to CivilPrep. So this is a RePrep program, that is live evaluation and mentorship. So in this session will be live evaluating answers. Okay. So this program is basically for students who are writing mains this year and who want to improve their answer writing. And I guarantee that with this program you will be able to achieve almost around more than 50% marks in the optional mains examination, and you can also achieve more than 150 marks in one paper each. Okay. Now, starting with the first question, that is discuss the geographical significance, the geopolitical significance of the Arctic region in shaping global trade routes and securing security dynamics. So this question we see that it is having key terms, that is geopolitical significance, the Arctic region, the global trade route, and security dynamics. So this is quite a dynamic question which needs a dynamic answer. Now, the Arctic Knot is a crucial choke point of trade in the recent times. It provides opportunities and challenges. So here we see that this has become a recent choke point in the contemporary time. Now, when we look at the Arctic region, it is mainly it is specified in this diagram also. But from the geopolitical scenario, we will be writing here world island. Then this is the part of Europe. Okay, so this Europe, it is basically coming under the part of heartland. And the regions which is surrounding here, the European region, it is coming under the rimland, which is having certain coastal areas, that is the sea areas along with them. So here what we see that in this particular part, we have Arctic region. So this Arctic region, it has become a new trade route, which is happening because of the climate change. Okay, and here the melting of sea ice. Okay, the melting of sea ice, it is the current scenario. So because of this aspect, what we will be seeing that, okay, in this region, the sea route is available for transport. Okay, now when we look at the sea area here, Alfred Mahan, who says that whoever controls the sea controls the world. Then we also have Spikeman. So Spikeman has also said that the coastal states, they are having the power. Okay, and they will be willing the power in the future. So this is part which we need to specify here. Now, in the same part, we'll be seeing that we also need to specify the Arctic region and the nations. So here we have United States of America, Russia, Canada, Norway, etc. So these are the Arctic countries. Sharing border here. Okay. And these are also part of the Arctic Council. Okay. So this part is important for us to understand. Now, looking at the further part, the geopolitical significance, the new trade route from the long route traditional Panama Suez and Malacca to North Sea route. So this is which is provided here, that is various routes are present. So we can also present this over the map. Here we can also present this over the map. So here we see that here we have state of Malacca. Here we have Panama Canal, and here we have Suez Canal. Okay, so this is something which is providing here a trade route. For example, I want to take something from Mumbai to USA. So I can either take this route or I can also take a shorter route here. But if I take a global map here, if I take something near the tropical region, so it has a longer distance compared to something which I am taking near the Arctic region. So therefore, it is helping us to reduce the distance. Okay, reduce the distance between the countries. So this is one important aspect which is provided here. Now, preventing security or prevent security issues at the Red Sea also. So Red Sea region, it is quite famous for the various kind of notorious activities like piracy. Now, it reduces cost and increases efficiency. Also, Arctic melting of the sea forming. Now, in the next part, we'll be seeing that framing the new routes. Certain issues which are present here with respect to environmental concerns, polar bear habitat loss, and increased emissions when the sea and vessels will be passing through the region. The resources which are unexplored. Here, the US, it is interesting in Greenland. So basically, I would like to correct here with respect to Greenland. It is having interest over the Alaska, and Greenland, it is a part of Denmark for the critical minerals. About the security, we'll see that it is hard to attack in this particular region. Heartland area of Mackinac, quite well included here. Arctic Siberia, it is giving strategic significance. Reduce Chinese aggression in the South China Sea for controlling shipping. Also prevents Houthis rebel attacks. Okay, so here we'll be seeing that we need to talk a certain aspect about the resources also. So resources will be seeing that there are various resources like petroleum, for which India has also invested over the far east of Russia, or we can say Siberia also, where we are seeing that it is basically for the acquiring of stakes in the Arctic region. So this is one part which has been done in the part of India also. Now, here we'll be seeing that this particular aspect, we need to also specify it from the perspective of the piracy in the Indian Ocean, which is happening basically over the region of Somalia, Ethiopia, and also if we come out of the Indian Ocean, in the Atlantic Ocean, we have Caribbean Sea region. Okay, where also we see that there is large amount of piracy is taking place. Now, when we are talking here about the part of the geopolitical significance, the Arctic region and the global trade route and security dynamics. So here we can add a case study of Strait of Hormuz. Okay, the Strait of Hormuz, it is being controlled by Iran in the contemporary time, and there is ongoing war between Iran and Israel. So this is hampering the trade in this particular region. So if we look at the Arctic region is open, then such kind of war situations will not hamper the trade route regions. So coming to the conclusion, although the Arctic region offers plethora of opportunities, its ecological significance can be adversely affected, leading to positive feedback loops here. Okay, so if I can see here, the conclusion here, it is quite good. But we can also add certain aspects which can actually improve the quality of the answer here. Okay, so guys, we can see that the marks will be acquired here. It will be 4 out of 10.